Okay, very quick video. I just want to show what I'm doing with the code here. There's something wrong with either the way I am implementing deque or um, possibly something about the way I'm implementing the variable ImageQ. I have tried, just as a bad test, I tried making ImageQ global to make certain that I am operating on the same ImageQ that I think I'm operating on. But I want you to take a look at this and see. I've got ImageQ with a maxlen of 12. I have two loops in here where they are printing out the length of ImageQ. In this image acquisition loop, the image box I'm calling it, I'm printing it out there. It's just showing the length of the queue. And I'm printing it out again in this loop, in the main loop, the length of ImageQ. Now, because of the fact I have maxlen set to 12, I would assume, given the fact that I'm running 10 frames per second on my output from my vision broadcaster, and you can see that running there, and I believe that Bandicam here has a window in the lower left, so you'll probably get an idea of what the delay is between what the broadcaster is sending and what real live-time video is like based on the window down the left there. So let me get that back out of the way. I'm going to run this up again, and we'll see that what happens is that it never goes above 0 or 1. Okay, look at that. So whether if it's in the image box, always stays 1. In the main loop, it stays 0. You can see the tremendous delay that's already being introduced. So I'm going to kill this very quickly before it blows up my Pi. And so that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. My sleep timer is set to half a millisecond. Nothing else is different, but that deque doesn't seem to be functioning at all. Something is wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. So I keep trying different things, but I'm kind of grabbing at straws at this point. There's something fundamentally wrong with what I'm doing, and I'm trying to figure it out. I'm certainly open to ideas. So thank you again for watching, and any suggestions or thoughts, I could certainly use them. Hope you're all staying well and healthy. Talk to you soon.